Hi everyone, and welcome to Truly Free Home. Today we're going to talk about why switching to non-toxic dishwasher detergent is a great idea. For many of us, using a dishwasher is a clear no-brainer. It saves time and effort and can even get dishes cleaner than any hand washing could even hope to achieve. But what most people don't realize is that conventional dishwasher detergents are made with unnecessary dyes, foaming agents, and synthetic fragrances, among other crappy things. Some of the best-selling dishwasher detergent brands even knowingly include chemicals that are carcinogens and endocrine disruptors. And who likes having their endocrines disrupted? Tell me that. These chemicals can leave a residue on your dishes, which can then be ingested by you and your family, causing sneaky side effects. Not on my watch though, because there's a better solution out there. Non-toxic dishwasher detergents, like Truly Free, are made with natural ingredients that are better for your health and the environment. Unlike toxic dishwasher detergents, Truly Free never uses harmful chemicals in its formulas. Instead, it harnesses the bare-naked power of nature, using enzymes and plant-based ingredients that break down and dissolve food particles to clean dishes the way they should be. It's just as effective as conventional detergents at cleaning dishes, so why not make the switch today? Visit trulyfreehome.com to learn about this and a bunch of other products that you definitely need in your home. And that just about does it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.